Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change Google subtitle captions, size, and style on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In Settings, scroll down and go to Accessibility. In Accessibility, go to Hearing Enhancement. Here in Hearing Enhancement, okay, go to Google Subtitle, okay, tap this. And okay guys, here in Google Subtitle, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this Show Caption to show the Google Subtitle on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the Google Subtitle caption size and style. And okay, you'll have to do is tap the caption size and style. And okay guys, here you can see the text size and the caption style. And okay, the first thing you can do is change the text size. Okay, the text size is set into normal. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the text size to change. And okay, the pop-up bar show, okay, you can see the option. You can change into very small, small, large, or very large. Okay, I decide to change into large. And okay, and also the caption style. The caption style is set into white on black. To change this, you'll have to do is tap the caption style and the pop-up bar show, okay, you can show the option, okay, the default white on black, black on white, yellow or black, yellow on blue, or custom. And okay guys, I decide to change into yellow on blue. So okay, that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the Google Subtitle caption size and style on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.